So what did Jesus mean when he said the bridegroom will be lifted away from them? Which we find in these three parallel verses concerning a parable. So days will come, keyword, days will come when, as it were, the bridegroom, keyword, will be lifted away from them, and then they will fast in those days. Where understand the parables of Jesus have to be deciphered through what are called the watch times of the night. Luke 12:38, where the second and third are mentioned. First has disappeared, where then the four watch times are outlined in the parable of the doorseer, Mark 13:35 and 6, or 34 and 35. Eventide, midnight, cock's voice, morning. Where then note that the word bridegroom specifically, where there's only 16 hits in 12 verses, is found 4 times in Matthew 25, where this is the parable of the 10 virgins, where pay attention now because the middle of the night is a clue in relationship to the keyword bridegroom, where here note that at thee is in italics because it's just added by the translators. This is actually a conjunction in the Greek. So it's really in conjunction with midnight, where when the virgins are all awakened, this is the resurrection, where then at midnight, only 5 out of 10 come into the wedding feasts as prepared. So the bridegroom, the watch times, and the wedding feasts all have a relationship together. Because if we go to Luke chapter 12, we back up to verse 36, we see the wedding feasts are mentioned here in conjunction with doors knocking, Mark 13:35, the parable of the doorkeeper, with the watch times are mentioned. So this helps us interpret the lifting of the bridegroom, where then they will fast, to whom the bridegroom is lifted away from. So the bridegroom is with them, they are not able to fast, Luke's account. The sons of the bride chamber are preparing to enter the wedding. Okay, so this is pre-wedding. They're not able to fast while the bridegroom is with them, but the days will come when, as it were, the bridegroom will be lifted away from them, and then they will fast in those days, being the foolish virgins. The bridegroom came, and those prepared came with him into the wedding feasts, and the door was shut at midnight. When the bridegroom is lifted away from those locked out, who are the foolish virgins, and then they will fast in these days, where I'll talk about those days in my next video.